If you wish to go back on Google Pixel 11 Pro and you don't know how, let me just quickly show you. So if you use 3-button navigation, all you need to do is you need to tap on this triangle button. So you have probably these 3 buttons at the bottom of the screen. They might have a slightly different order, but generally speaking, this triangle allows you to go 1 step back to the previous menu or previous screen, whatever was previously opened, previous app, and so on. Now, if you use gesture navigation instead, to go back, you need to swipe from the left edge or from the right edge to the middle of the phone, just like that. And as you can see here, we have this arrow indicating that we are about to go back. So you can just quickly swipe like that and you can just go back. And of course, both the button and the swipe gesture work every time in every app. And no matter the context, you should always be able to go back just performing either the swipe back gesture or by using the back button at the bottom of the screen. Leave a like and subscribe.